420 pounds have been removed from our Ford yesterday, and today the big blue guy goes on. Welcome back to our custom camper build. In this video we've hit a major milestone and go through removing the truck bed, loading and mounting the camper, and finishing the integration. Still much work to complete before we can be on the road. The fuel line needs to be rerouted, cargo boxes installed, plumbing to connect from camper to tanks, and he needs to migrate the power system from the Lance camper to the new power bay. We'll show the power migration and final setup for power in this camper in a future video. Removed the truck bed once before when fitting the pivot mount to the camper floor back in episode 3. The only difference this round is now we need to park it out of the way. So remove the bolts, strap to the hoist, and lift away. That's a better idea. It comes along, and that was the case here. We're sort of reloading it back on the truck. Most good ideas are arrived at after multiple iterations. Steve originally had another plan to move the truck bed behind the shop and instead decided to just carry it on the chassis outside into the right there? You don't want to go park by the big guy? Hopefully you can see the camper is tethered up to the roof because it needs to be lifted a little bit, and the truck has been lowered. So I'm really nervous. I get to be in the driver's seat, so hopefully I won't have to see too much of anything scary, and we'll see how it goes.
If I can go get a chain hoist at Harbor Freight, I think we can do it.
Okay.
I'm a little bit nervous about...
Where are we going, dear?
We're going to Harbor Freight.
Why are we going there?
We're going to buy a chain hoist to replace the cable come along and trying to lift the camper.
you're swinging, baby.
Hey, now we're swinging. Okay. Start her up.
So this is what, fresh, hot off the manufacturing line press window. Here, hold that up. Well, it fits it better.
Better.
The windows worked out to be the simplest task of the week. Steve added a set of shims. We would test each window, add the weather stripping, and then I'd position the window on the outside while he mounted the trim ring from the inside. LED tail and marker lights plus a new dash cam backup camera system were installed within the aluminum channel on the back before we mounted the camper. With a couple of tweaks, everything worked.
Lights.
There you go. Thank you for checking out our camper build progress. We enjoy sharing our project and providing inspiration for yours. If you are a fellow do-it-yourselfer, like this video and follow our progress by subscribing. We hope to see you out on the road, and good luck with your own working and exploring.